Mike Tyson's rise to boxing greatness is deeply entwined with the peekaboo style developed by Cus D'Amato. This distinctive boxing technique, combining a rock-solid defense with a formidable offense, catapulted Tyson to become the youngest heavyweight champion in history. D'Amato's strategic innovation and Tyson's physical dynamism forged a legacy in the ring that redefined heavyweight boxing and continues to inspire fighters and aficionados alike. This video sets the stage to explore how the peekaboo style shaped Tyson's career and left an indelible mark on the sport. Mike Tyson is considered one of the greatest heavyweight boxers of all time, due in large part to the style of boxing he developed under legendary trainer Cus D'Amato. Known as the peekaboo style, it emphasized tight defense, relentless offense, and an aggressive counter-punching approach. While others initially dismissed it, Tyson dominated opponents using this unorthodox yet highly effective style, heavyweight champion ever. D'Amato is credited with inventing the peekaboo style, which had its roots in the defensive techniques of boxer Maxie Rosenblum. However, D'Amato modified it to incorporate more aggression and offense. The core principles involved keeping the hands high to protect the face while moving the head continually to slip punches. This created openings to launch powerful counterpunches. When D'Amato took in the troubled 12-year-old Tyson, he began molding him into the perfect peekaboo practitioner. Tyson absorbed everything D'Amato taught him and practiced religiously. He had the perfect physique and mentality for this style, with devastating power and ferocious intensity. Under D'Amato's guidance, Tyson developed superb head movement, lightning-fast hands, and the ability to explode combinations in the blink of an eye. A key trait of the peekaboo style is maintaining a low, balanced stance with the hands held close to the face. This allows for explosive footwork and angular head movement from side to side. Punches are thrown with full leverage and bad intentions to inflict damage. Tyson was a master of slipping punches and firing back with crunching power shots to overwhelm opponents. He punched to hurt, as D'Amato instructed, rather than outpoint. Defense was paramount in the peekaboo style to protect the fighter as they pressed forward aggressively. Constantly moving and slipping punches while keeping balance was drilled into Tyson. He developed superb reflexes and could rapidly dart in and out to dazzle opponents. D'Amato stressed using a variety of feints, slips, and pivots to create offensive opportunities at any moment's notice. An underappreciated tool in Tyson's arsenal was his jab. D'Amato emphasized jabbing often to blind, batter, and set up further assaults. Tyson had deceptive hand speed and would pepper opponents to set traps for killing blows. He also employed angular footwork like the D'Amato shift to suddenly change angles and launch punches out of awkward positions. D'Amato further accentuated the peekaboo style's effectiveness by instituting a cryptic punch numbering system. Calling out combinations by random numbers confused opponents and enabled patterns to be drilled flawlessly in training. The style took patience to master, but was optimized for aggression, ferocity, and evading return fire. Under D'Amato and later Kevin Rooney's guidance, Tyson relished perfecting every nuanced peekaboo technique. He practiced for hours on end to execute them instinctively inside the ring. The results saw Tyson demolish top opponents with textbook peekaboo excellence. He consolidated a campaign of intimidation by destroying anyone across from him. In the end, the peekaboo style D'Amato gifted to Tyson made him an irresistible force in heavyweight boxing. By keeping relentless pressure while reading opponents like a book, Tyson dominated his era. Although imitating this legend is impossible, the peekaboo blueprint lives on through film study of the master craftsman who epitomized its savage effectiveness, Iron Mike Tyson. Before we end this video, we wanted to conclude that the peekaboo style, as perfected by Mike Tyson under the tutelage of Cus D'Amato, revolutionized heavyweight boxing. It was a stylistic innovation that balanced defensive acumen with offensive ferocity, allowing Tyson to capitalize on his physical and mental attributes. The youngest heavyweight champion in history, Tyson's application of this technique was not merely a display of raw power. It was a testament to the strategic depth and disciplined approach ingrained in him by D'Amato. This approach to boxing, with its emphasis on agility, precision, and explosive power, remains a distinguished chapter in the sport's history, immortalized through Tyson's unparalleled performances in the ring. Tyson's legacy, underpinned by the peekaboo style, endures as a high watermark in boxing, a confluence of the athlete's potential fully realized through innovative strategy and relentless determination.